Hi, everyone. Today I've invited Manali, a health data analyst, to highlight the Dash app that she built to help save the lives of city birds. This app was part of the January Charming Data AI project, where various community members came together to build an app for the Wild Bird Fund shelter in New York City. You can see more details about the project here. In fact, if you haven't joined us yet, come join the Charming Data community. Come say hello, check us out, join the projects. This is a great opportunity for you to improve your skills in the data viz and AI world while connecting with others on the monthly projects that we are working on together. We have live meetups every week. We have 2-3 meetups. So I want to highlight this app because it was a beautiful app. And here we have Manali. Manali, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you for inviting. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much, Manali. Um, Manali, can you tell us a little bit about your about this project?
So I was motivated to work on the Wild Bird Fund project because it addresses a concerning issue that not only the New York City but also many cities with skyscrapers are facing. Due to the rampant development, birds are losing their natural habitats. This project can play a huge role in providing aid to the birds and creating awareness among the local citizens.
Okay, we have the link here if the people want to check it out. Now, this app that you built, very impressive. Really happy that you're here to highlight the app and to talk to us a little bit about it. Before I actually run things and submit, can you share a little bit about what we're seeing here on the screen?
So the first thing, the bot, will welcome all the bird lovers and the rescuers. Then it will give a description how it can help its users. By telling you all the rescuing organizations. Near you. Only in the USA. It's not. It's um it doesn't have the worldwide information of
Right.
rescuing organizations.
Okay.
Mm, but it can tell all the users around the world that how they can take care of the birds and keep them safe. It will also provide them the Google Map location of a wild bird fund office, which is in Manhattan. If you will click on the link,
Yep.
and then and then when a user will type in the question and click on the button submit, it will generate a response, and the user will also have the option um, um, to ask the bot to speak the answer for them. And also if the user needs to get a pictorial response of their question, they can click on the link down below, which will lead them to the Google images, and then they can get their pictorial responses for better references.
I love this option because a lot of people learn better, capture information a lot quicker when
Yes,
they see pictures
yes,
attached to it. So thank you
yes.
for adding this. And I was really excited when you told me about adding the speak button because this is a great opportunity for people that don't maybe can't necessarily read when it's small fonts, or maybe have
Yes.
other visual impairments, or they just rather listen to the question. Maybe they're driving or
Mhm.
something and they want to listen. And so this is a great opportunity for them to do that. We should probably have
Exactly.
like a shorter question because it's going to read everything out loud. So
Mhm.
maybe I'll say like how to protect birds. Let me see if it gives a shorter answer from the data that you gave it. Um, 1 second. No, that's even longer. But okay,
Yeah.
let's give it a shot. There we
To
go.
protect birds, you can take several steps, such as
So you
using
can hear that,
external
right,
insect
Manali?
screens
Yes,
on
I
windows
can.
to reduce
Perfect.
reflection.
Right? So this comes from this last callback. Now, before we talk about this last callback, Manali, you've trained this app um, on specific data, right? Specific videos. Can you talk to us a little bit about these links that you put here to train the bot?
So basically, I have used the site maps of the website, which I thought, had create information about how to rescue a bird, what's their appetite. So all these, so all these links, in, so like, provide information, based on, how you can take care of a bird.
Perfect. So this is a great summary that the bot is trained on all this data, nothing else. So if you ask me questions
Yes.
about protecting birds, saving birds, doing an internship or volunteering for the Wild Bird Fund, because you train the bot only on that data, it's going to provide a very accurate answer for
Yes.
that user. So we do have about 90 lines of code here. In the interest of time, we're going to not go over every single line of code, but we do want to highlight this last callback that Manali created. This is where the text to speech comes to play, right? What she's doing here is she took the clicks of the button and then the children of this response, which in the app itself is the answer. We'll see that in a sec when the app loads. She took the answer and she's saying, if the answer exists, then take GTTS, which is a Google to Speech library, create a temporary file. We don't want to save this file forever and ever on the user's computer. Just make it temporary. Quickly close it and then just start playing it, right? This is just to
Yeah.
shut the system down.
Yes.
It allows you to work on Windows. And then the play sound library allows you to hear the speech that we just created. Did that make sense, Manali? Did I get that right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay,
Yes. Yes. Absolutely right.
perfect. And as you know, this output we don't need to output anything, so we're just not updating this empty div. And that is how we create our text to speech button. Manali, any final words? Like what like excited you the most about this project?
The purpose of helping the voiceless creatures that coexist with us in our daily lives is truly noble. However, they cannot ask for help themselves. I appreciate the work of the organization, the Wild Bird Fund, and I am grateful for the opportunity to contribute through this app, which also, in a way, leaded me to learn something new.
Thank you, Manali. Thank you for those kind words. I appreciate it. I encourage people to check out Manali's profile on LinkedIn, connect with her, a health data analyst that has created this app here on GitHub. So if you want to check out the app, all you have to do is what I did 32 minutes ago. I just went here, I copied the clipboard here, and then I just do in PyCharm git clone and this link to get the app. And then you just want to make sure to install the requirements.txt file so you have all the necessary libraries, or just follow Manali's instructions in the README file to reproduce this app on your computer. Manali, thank you so much for joining.
Thank you so much for inviting.
Thank you, everybody. I hope you learned a lot. Always remember, we're better together, so help each other out. And don't forget to join us.